Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photoshop. Let me open my Photoshop. I have already opened an image here. If I want to crop it, I just need to click on the crop tool. Then you can drag it and crop the image easily. For save it, hit the enter. That's easy, but the problem is happen when you are going to open another image in this image. Let me show you. If I open this image and drag it into the main image. Now if I try to crop this image, as you can see, even this layer is selected, but still I can't crop this image. Only able to crop the background image, right? So now let me show you how you can crop this edit image. First of all, right click on this layer, then click on convert to smart object. After that, double click on the icon. Now click on OK. Now you can see another layer is open here. Just drag it. Now if I try to crop it, as you can see, I am able to crop this image. By using the magic eraser tool, I can also remove the black background. So just right click on the eraser tool and select the magic eraser tool. Now just click on the color that you want to remove. Like this way, remove the all background color. After removing this all unnecessary color, now just select the move tool and drag it into the main image. And now delete the old one. Now as you can see, the moon is in sky looking realistic. So friends, that's the way how you can crop any image in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.